Hello, Mariam.
Hello, good seeing you.
Are you ready to dive into the Swedish supermarket?
Yes, let's go.
The plastic bags are made of sugarcane.
So, where would you get meat?
Meat in Swedish is kött, but spelled with a K, even though it sounds like with sh. You can see that ham is a Skinka, and it has the sign that it's produced in Sweden.
Eat local. So you can see here that there are a lot of different types of cheeses. And in Sweden it's very common to buy like a block of cheese and then you shred it yourself with like, I don't know, like a knife. And then you would like get any cheese you want and then you could put it on Bröd. And I think cheese in Swedish means ost, if I'm saying that right. Swedish people correct me in the comments, I'm sure. But Swedes love cheese by the amount of numbers, like the amount of cheeses you can buy. So cheese is also something very important. Hey, do you know what this is? Is this toothpaste?
No, only in Sweden you can find toothpaste-shaped food. Sweden is famous for its meatballs.
So sometimes Swedish is very confusing because orange is apple seed, which you would think is apple.
But it's orange. You have to look at the pictures. Hey Mariam, do you have any advice in case I need some help with translations in the supermarket?
We can always download a translation app that has a camera option, and if you're looking for something you can point the camera at it and it will translate it really fast. See?
Uh-huh. That's great. Oh, hi.
Is also very important in the Swedish culture.
Some coffee?
Bread. Like Bröd is like such an essential like Swedish thing. They always eat it with like butter and cheese and avocados and like, well, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a paste of like fish and like shrimp. That's something like very Swedish to have. And you can see by like the sheer amount of options you have. That's something very essential for Swedes. So there are a
lot of different pastries because one of the first things you learn in Sweden is Fika, a coffee break where they, in the middle of the workday, sit down and have a pastry and chat with their colleagues, and it's a big thing, and that's why you have a lot of different types of pastries.
This is my favorite section, and this is the typical kanelbulle. And also with vanilla, the cardamom wool, also very famous. The wienerbröd, that probably I'm pronouncing wrong.
And they're all named coffee bread, which would be like the direct translation. Okay, let me show you my favorite part about it.
In Sweden, you can milk pretty much anything.
Amazing. How do you know which milk to choose?
So you just want to look for something that says Mjölk. This says Frisk Mjölk, which means fresh milk. There are a lot of types like sour milk and other things, but you want something just to say Mjölk.
Milk.
Next thing you look for is fat content. I think it's pretty universal that red is full fat, green is half skimmed, blue is skimmed.
Great.
So you need to just stay here.
Here. If you're ever in a rush and need to grab some quick salad, you can always come to the supermarkets because there's always a salad bar. If you buy some plastic, you get charged extra for the plastic, and later there are some machines where they give you your crumbs back for the plastic you recycle. Remember, Greta is always watching. In these machines, you can recycle your plastic bottles and your cans, and you get the money back that you pay in the supermarket. Another really common thing for Swedish people is to buy candy in Swedish Godis, and in every supermarket they have huge areas with tons of different sweets. Did you want us to go to another specific area? Let us know in the comments and we will go there next time. If you want to buy alcohol, you have to do it in this shop called Systembolaget.